Yeah, Kritika and Hemangi, now can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
And voice is okay? And the audio is okay? Is the audio okay, Betty?
Yes, sir.
Kritika, Betty? Is the audio okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, a verbal reasoning means it will have a combination of English alphabets or words, but non-verbal reasoning, you may have images, pictures, graphics, or numbers, but it will not have any English alphabet. So, a non-verbal reasoning, the same question can be given to anyone, like from Japan or Russia. Even they don't have to know the English alphabet. But a verbal reasoning at least requires a minimum, at least you recognize alphabet. This much it gives. So I told you this is ek Jaruri online test. Yes. Why we have given this, I'll tell you. This is important for this kind of test. Remember the jargon, ek Jaruri online test. Yes. Now, in this one, you have to remember the positions, or at least you can write down, because this table will not be given in exam. You will have to write this table in at home. You can do that. You have to write from A to Z, and once you have to number it forward. A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, like that up to Z26. And once you will have to number it backwards, Z will be 1, Y will be 2, X will be 3, and A will be 26. So once you are doing the forward numbering and once you are doing the backward numbering, in some cases you will be taking the forward number, and in some cases you may have to take the backward number. In some cases you may have to take A equal to 1, B equal to 2, and in some cases A equal to 26, B equal to 25, and Z equal to 1. So instead of making this table at home, you can make, because this table, it's easy to make. It may take a little time, but it is easy to make. You write A B C D up to Z, you write 1 to 26, and then again 26 to 1. Okay, this much.
yes, sir.
Okay. Kritika, Betty, okay. Sanjukta,
Yes, sir.
okay. Canary, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, why I told you ek jaruri online test. Ek jaruri online test, the first letters give 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So if you remember this, you may not have to remember the whole table, or you may not have to write the whole table. Instead of writing the whole table, this this acronym gives 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. A to yaad rahega, A is always 1, Z is 26, but E, J, O, T, Y. You will remember 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So if you need, for instance, say P. So if you remember O, then you can easily remember P. If O is 15, P will be 16. If you remember S, so T is 20, then you know S is 90. So if you remember this gap, then only 1 or 2 you have to count. G, for instance. E ka baad F, G. So 5, 6, 7. E ka baad F, G. Add 2. So 5, 6, 7. I means I kahan aata hai? J ka pehle. So 10 minus 1, 9. So if you remember this, you can. It is very easy to remember all the thing. It is multiples of 5. From A to Z, it is very easy to get the numbers. If you remember Ek Jaruri online test, yes. And for backward counting, see that it is 27 minus this. If A is 1, it is 27 minus A, 26. B is 2, 27 minus 2, 25. C is 3, 27 minus 3, 24. So if you remember the forward numbering, 27 minus the forward numbering gives you the backward numbering. Z is 27 minus 26, it gives you 1. So backward numbering is 27 minus forward numbering. इतना तक क्लियर हुआ?
Yes.
हेमांगी, कृतिका बेटी, क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
ओके. कनरी, ओके. संयुक्ता,
Yes, sir. Yes.
अच्छा. Sanjana joined or?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Betty. Welcome. Now, next one. So remember this, एक जरूरी online test. Yes, in case you no time. The table you can make at any time, but in case you don't want to write specific table, just
हाँ सर
एक जरूरी online test 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Now, question 1. Cat is 72, dog is 78, tab equal to how much? There is a question. Cat is 72, dog is 78, then how much is tab? Now, note that cat beginning with C and dog, it's slightly, dog का value slightly more. Dog value is slightly more because C या D का value तो ज़्यादा है, या A है या O है, so obviously it will be a little more. C तो छोटा है ना, 3 है, A भी छोटा है, O है यहाँ पर बड़ा नंबर है, so it's okay. Now, see how we, and also note that the number of letters is not equal to the number of digits. You can't put C equal to 7, A equal to 2, ऐसे तो नहीं होगा. Then there should be three digit number. If you are putting letter by letter, C equal to 3 का लिखना है, then A equal to 1, then there should be 3 letters. We have got only 2 letters. So it can't be a letter by letter. That means the numbers you have to add.
is equal to 1
Because 3 number में subtraction तो नहीं होता है, so you have to add because it can't be a letter by letter.
24
Letter by letter होने से क्या होता? You will have a 3 digit. Dog भी 3 digit का होता. Since it is not 3 digit, so it is a number obtained by maybe adding the values.
G
Now let us see how. See, cat I have written C is 3, A is 1, एक जरूरी online test is 20, so we have got total 24, and dog B is 4, O is 15, एक जरूरी online test O is 15 and G is 7, so we get 26. So ये ऐड करने से you are getting 24 and 26. अब इसका साथ कोई रिलेशन है? Yeah, buddy. Any relation with this one? What is given? When I am putting, I am getting 24 and I am getting 26. So is there any relation with the 72 and
Now,
77?
can you explain again? I left the meeting because I couldn't see the screen.
Yeah, buddy. Who is saying that?
Ammi saw Himangi.
Okay. Ha, buddy. I am saying this is a question. Cat is 72, dog is 78, tab equal to how much? ठीक है बेटा?
Yes.
Now it cannot be a letter by letter substitution. तब क्या होता? The 3 letters will have 3 digits. 3 to letter है, so there should be 3 digits. So it's not a letter by letter. So obviously they have added the values. Now after adding the values, here we are adding C is 3. Either you can see from here or एक जरूरी online test से देख लो. C is 1 and T is 20. You can see. Either you can see or एक जरूरी online test. C is 3, एक जरूरी online test 5, 10, 15, 20. So total is 24. And dog 4, A B C D 4, एक जरूरी online 5, 10, 15, and G is 7. So you are getting 26. So this is what you are getting by adding the numbers, and you are given 72 and 78. तो कोई relation दिख रहा है यहाँ पर? Can you see any relation?
Yes, sir.
What relation?
24 multiplied by 3
Multiplied by 3. Very good. It is multiplied by 3 in both the cases. एक केस में 3, एक केस में 4. So now you know the rule. What you have to do is put the values, add it and multiply by 3. अब तो easy हो गया. Now you know the rule. सबका वैल्यू रखना है and multiplied by 3. हो गया? So
Yes, sir.
you put T is 20, A is 1 and P is 16. एक जरूरी ऑनलाइन टेस्ट O जब 15 था तो P will be 16. So total 37 and you multiply by 3 giving you 1, 1, 1. ये ऑप्शन रहेगा. I did not give you the option. Last time you were getting confused. ये ऑप्शन से करना है कि वो से करना है. तो ऑप्शन से नहीं करना है. ऐसे ही आ जाएगा. Now you can see where is that option. अगर ऑप्शन रहेगा then you tick that. इसलिए ऑप्शन नहीं दिया बिकॉज लास्ट टाइम यू आर गेटिंग कंफ्यूज सर एक एक ऑप्शन से करना ऑप्शन से नहीं करना है अपने से करना है इसके बाद ऑप्शन जहाँ रहेगा वहाँ टिक कर ठीक है बेटी
Yes.
Yes, sir.
ओके संजना ओके बेटी
Yes, sir.
जोर से बोलो ना
Yes, sir.
part equal to 7192 line equal to 3965 bear equal to how much अब देखो first of all the number of letters is equal to the number of digits 4 letters है 4 digits or 4 letters 4 digits and by adding it 7000 तो नहीं आएगा इसका वैल्यू कितना है 20 25 ऐसे होता है मैक्सिमम सो 25 चार्ट तो मैक्सिमम 100 आएगा 120 आएगा 7000 तो नहीं आएगा सो ऑब्वियसली इट इज नॉट एडिंग इट इज अ लेटर बाय लेटर सब्स्टिट्यूशन क्योंकि एडिंग करने से नहीं बाय एडिंग यू कैन नेवर गेट 7000 each will be 20 25 2 3 by adding you will never get this so let us try letter by letter value now p is 16 A is 1, R is 18, T is 20. By adding, you're not going to get anything. I just shown that. वैसे देख के ही पता चलता है. You cannot add because you will never get 7,000. But just add करके दिखा दिया. But even you don't have to add. By adding that 25, 26 and all that, you will never get 7,000. So add नहीं करना है. But still I have shown that. तो क्या करना है? See how I have got P is 16, A is 1, R is 18 and 20 and you write the numbers below the number which is given and you check that how it is giving whenever there is 2-digit number you are adding the 2 digits this is what you write P ka 16 A ka 1 R ka 18 this is what you are writing and 792 is given now you
Sir, but P
how
is
do you get
6. P is 11. No.
now beta
P is 11. No.
P ना बेटी P is 11 backward forward ये ऊपर वाला है
Okay.
बैकवर्ड जो है वो है नीचे वाला फॉरवर्ड वाला ऊपर है ओके देखो बेटी backward if you take then P is 11 we are taking the forward so P is and where noise is coming the noise don't make the noise at least I told you when taking the class you have to see that there is no background noise so P is 16 A is 1 R is 18 and T is 20 so see when you compare with 7192 what is given then you can see that they have whenever there is a 2 digit they have added it similarly lion ka bhi dekh lo 12 they have added 1
But how will we know we have to take the backward number or the forward number?
ये हम बोले now you are taking the forward number जब आएगा then I will point out what is the one is by trial and error but I'll give you a better method now we are doing with the forward number जब backward number आएगा बेटी you have asked a very good question I'll tell you बोल देता now so it is 3 9 O का था 15 एक जरूरी ऑनलाइन टेस्ट ऑन माने 15 जरूरी 15 6 so by comparing you can see what they have done for 2-digit number you add the digits तो यहाँ भी वही कर लो here we have got only one double-digit number so when you add you're getting 251 and 18 का 9 so you get the answer okay इतना clear हुआ बेटी
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ बेटी बोलो
So 20 is also 2-digit number. So we'll not add 0, 1. So answer will be 1. So
कौन वाला बेटा 20 का हाँ 2 + 0 तो 2 होता है 2 ही तो लिया बेटी
okay.
20 का 2 + 0 कितना होता है
Okay. I thought we are adding 0 plus 1. So
नहीं 16 का 1 + 6 18
Okay.
का 1 + 8 so 20 का 2 + 0 नहीं तो अल्टीमेटली जो दिया है उसके साथ तो मिलाना है ना दिस देन ओनली जो मिला है और जो दिया है इट शुड बी सेम देन ओनली आई कैन अप्लाई द रूल हियर ओके
yes.
सो यू गॉट दिस अब जहां पर ऑप्शन रहेगा वहां टिक करना नाउ ये बेटे तुम्हारा आंसर नहीं इसका बाद में नाउ विन इज 138 वाइन इज 204 विनर इज हाउ मच विन है 138 wine 204 winner is how much so let us see now again we substitute W is 23 I is 9, एक जरूरी J 10 है तो 1 9 होगा. Online test. Oh. So you get 14. Now 46 and 23, 9, 14, 5. यहाँ से टेबल से देख लो और एक ऑनलाइन टेस्ट से देख लो. So you get एक जरूरी ऑनलाइन टेस्ट. That also you can see. So you are getting 46 and you are getting 51. See that this has been multiplied by 3 and this has been multiplied by 4. Because यहाँ का 3 digit number, 3 letters है, so this has been multiplied by 3, and here you have got 4 digit number, so it has been multiplied by 4. So अब मालूम है, here you have to multiply by how much? That means
5.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beta.
Yes, 6.
So you know the number, you have to put the values and multiply by 6, because for 3 digit you are multiplying by 3, for 4 digit by 4, so for 6 digit it should be into 6. Now you got the trick, समझ लिया? And then it is easy. I put the values, I get 83, I multiply by 6 and I get 498. Up to easy hai. You know the rule. You have to add the values and multiply by the number of letters. For 3 letter by 3, for 4 letter by 4, and for 6 letter by 6. The first जो दो दिया है, that is for checking the rule. अब rule check कर लिया, rule confirm हो गया. Now put the rule here. You get by multiplying by 6, 498. अब जहां पर 498 होगा वहां का ऑप्शन टिक कर लेना. ठीक है बेटी? संजना ओके? कृतिका बेटी ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
And हेमांगी बेटी?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, next we are having education. They have given a number. And umbrella equal to how much? Again, this cannot be addition. Addition से कभी इतना बड़ा number नहीं आएगा. So you have to put letter by letter. Now putting the letter by letter, you see, देखो, जो मिलता है उसको लिखा है, जो नहीं मिलता है उसको स्टार कर दिया. इसका 5 होना चाहिए. It is not matching, so I have put the star. E का मिलता है, so I put the number. Again, U का नहीं मिलता है, C का मिलता है, so whatever I am getting, I am writing, and whatever I am not getting, I am not writing. So what do you see? What doesn't match? We put a star. Can you see which ones are not matching?
E, U, I, and
What are
O.
they? क्या है बेटी?
Vowels.
Vowel. The vowels are not matching, and you can see that vowels have A equal to 1, E equal to 2, I equal to 3, O equal to 4, and U equal to 5. For consonant, you put these numbers, and for vowels, put the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only for vowels, you put the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For vowels के लिए separate numbers, and for consonant, the number which you get on the table. Only for vowels, you are creating a separate number, A, E, I, O, U, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for others, you are putting this. Big one?
Yes, sir.
Now you can do it. Umbrella ka kar lo. Only leave the vowels. Only put for the consonant. M is 13. एक जरूरी online test. यह याद रखो. Similarly, B is 2. R is 18. L is 12. L is 12. And A. Now put the vowels. U, A, E, I, O, U. U is 5. A, E. E is 2. And A is 1. So now you get the answer. Now you are getting the answer. Clear हुआ बेटी? कृतिका?
Yes, sir.
Clear हुआ बेटी?
Yes, sir.
And you see that 20 is put as 20, means that 2 digits are not added. So here also 12 you put as 12. Don't add the 2 digits. अगर यहाँ if they are यहाँ add होता तो यहाँ भी add होता. Since here also it is not added, 20 remains 20. So here 12 will remain 12. Similarly, 18 will remain 18. Here you don't add. So you get the answer. अब जहाँ भी ये answer मिलेगा, the option will be given. यहाँ I am not giving the option, but in the actual option will be given, and either you will get this option or last में रहेगा none of the above. Then you will get that. Now next one. अब तुम्हारा ये Kritika or Hemangi was asking how to know whether it is forward or backward. Now you get the idea.
Yes.
अब देखो, bad it consists of earlier letters and Z and P higher letters, but still this value is bigger and this value is smaller. Bad तो earlier letters ना, B A D सब beginning से आता है, छोटा letter आता है, and Z and P last से आता है. Till you find that ये बड़ा है ये छोटा है, इसका मतलब है अब यहाँ पर बैकवर्ड लेना है.
Okay.
जो what consists of smaller letters माने smaller letters A B C D उसका बड़ा वैल्यू है, and what consists of bigger letters higher value letters जो T Y Z सब है, there you are getting small. इसका मतलब ही है इसको उल्टा करके लेना है, so that अभी होगा when you take it backward. Got it?
Yes, sir.
कौन who was asking the question?
Yes, sir.
Now you got the answer.
Yes, sir.
So when you see that smaller letters and higher letters are smaller value, तब you know you have to take opposite. और नहीं तो फिर trial and error में भी हो जाएगा. Once you take forward, once you take backward, you know how it is. Now, so we are taking backward. Now backward कैसे करते? Even if these numbers are not there, you know, 27 minus. B का 2 है तो 27 minus. A का 1 है तो 27 minus 27 minus 1. B का 4 है 27 minus 1. So you are getting 74 and you are getting that 1 है that 26 27 minus 1. So like that you get 30. And now if the numbers are matching, you can take this one. The numbers are matching by adding. You can add the numbers are the values are matching. So you add this one to get 78. Inversely, because those which are containing smaller value and those which are containing the higher letters are smaller value and lower letters are higher value. Then you know you have to take it backward and backward leke dekho, both the things are satisfied. So you know it is. You take backward and you get. And also see that here you cannot put letter by letter. You know? Because for 3-letter word you are getting only 2 digits. So it cannot be a letter by letter, you have to add it. Okay, Betty? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Mangi. Kritika Betty, hua?
Yes, sir.
And Kinari and Sanjukta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If dog is written as now, यहाँ पर तो कोई logic नहीं चलेगा. You can't put 1, 2, 3. So what you do is check for the each letter. D. D कहाँ पर है? You got here D and you got here D. Check that D का है ये वाला and यहाँ पर भी है. So you know that D equal to this much. Similarly E. E कहाँ पर है? M E N, the middle letter. So you know that E is this much. So like this you have to check letters by letter. M कहाँ पर है? This is M. You know in this percentage. So position wise, because here you can't take any value. So this is how you do. Dog. कहाँ पर है? यहाँ पर से था. यहाँ पर से था और यहाँ पर भी था. So both are confirmed. So E you are getting from here. So here you are getting from here. So this one. You are getting from here. And this one. And M you are getting from here. So you get from M here. So like this by substitution we get it. Okay? That's
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, so that was this much. Now one more we have numerical aptitude. There are small numerical aptitude. Just wait. I'll close this file and open that next file.
Yes, sir.
Kritika Betty, you can see?
Yes, sir.
And Kinari and Sanjukta?
Yes, sir.
So there's a maths. Maths का कुछ different type of questions. Quantitative aptitude or sometimes called numerical aptitude. The difference is numerical aptitude, you get only arithmetic and maybe some algebra, but in quantitative, kabhi you get the geometry, trigonometry as well. Anyway, now we will do this. So, now find the greatest number that will divide 43, 91, 183 so as to leave the same reminder in each case. Same reminder in each case. Find the greatest number that will divide each of these numbers to leave the same reminder. अब when you divide a number, क्या होता है? This number should be equal to this divisor into some quotient, any multiple plus remainder. इतना तो याद है? होता है ना? When you divide something, क्या होता है बोलो? This number should be equal to this multiplied by this plus remainder. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that means that when you multiply divisor by quotient, you will get a multiple. You will get a multiple. When you multiply divisor by quotient, you will get a multiple. So 43 will be divisor into quotient, means multiple of d plus r. 91 will be also some multiple of d plus r. 183 will also be some multiple of d plus r, because every time you are getting the same remainder r. Remainder same hai. So if you subtract, r will cancel. अगर subtract करता है तो r cancel हो जाएगा. You will get only multiple. The remainder r, the same remainder will cancel. So 91 minus 43 will be a multiple क्योंकि r cancel हो जाएगा. 183 minus 91 will be a multiple. R will cancel. And 183 minus 43 are exact multiples. When you subtract, r and r will cancel. So you will get some multiple minus some multiple. So you will get multiple. So these are the multiples. That means d is a factor. ये एक multiple है तो दूसरा factor होगा. The smaller number is a factor. The bigger number is a multiple. And maximum, the highest value of the multiple, the greatest value is 4. Highest value of the factor is 4. Because the greatest number, and you have to find the divisor. Divisor is a factor. Number is a multiple, the divisor is a factor. So the greatest factor, which can be a factor of all these, will be the GCD or HCF, and we are getting 4. Okay? Okay, baby? Hemangi?
Yes, sir.
Kritika, baby?
Yes, sir.
Sanjana, baby, you're not saying anything.
Yes, sir.
Good. The HCF of two numbers is 23, and the other two factors are 11 and 13. अब देखो, all are prime numbers. So when you have to take out the LCM, all you can do is only multiply. Or you can't do anything. All these you can only multiply. You can't divide by 2, you can't divide by 3. So only way of doing the LCM is just to multiply. So now you know this number. The other number will be what? And 23 is HCF, means it is present in book. A common hai. So you will get 23 the common into 11 and 23 the common into 30. 23 is a common one, and the other two factors, one is 11 and one is 30. So the LCM is formed by multiplying numbers 23 into 11, 23 into 13, because there is no other common factor. So 23 into 13 will be the greater number. 23 into 11 hoga smaller number. 23 into 13 hoga greater number. So he wants the larger number, greater number. That will be 23 into 13. You go on, Betty? Okay?
Yes, sir.
6 bells. ये सब एकदम class 6-7 में किया हुआ है, but these questions come. Even in when my son gives ये इसका देता है ना, he is studying BTech. Even there, sometimes these questions have to be. 6 bells commence tolling together and toll at intervals of these seconds. In 30 minutes, how many times do they toll together? Now, when you are taking the LCM, total number को eliminate कर दो. 2 you cut because 2 is contained in 12. 4 also you cut. 4 into 3 12 है, बड़ा नंबर है. 6 also you cut. 6 into 2 12 है. So actually you will take the LCM of only these. Don't have to take such a big LCM. 2 का multiple है ना 12, तो 2 को काट दो. 4 multiple is at 12, 4 को काट दो. 6 का multiple है 12. So you will take only the LCM of these, and that will come 120. So 120 second equal to 2 minutes, right? 2 minutes है, at least for us it is 2 minutes equal to 120. कुछ ड्रग एडिक्ट है हम लोग का पार्लियामेंट में जो 2 मिनट बोल के 25 सेकंड में बैठ जाता है, बट फॉर अस 2 मिनट्स 120 सेकंड. नाउ 2 मिनट्स they told together and 30 minutes they will toll 15 times. ये 120 ये seconds मिला था. This was seconds, so that is coming to 2 minutes. So in 2 minutes they will toll once. So in 30 minutes they will toll 30 divided by 2 15 times. Clear हुआ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. संजना बेटी. Okay. कृतिका. Okay बेटी. कृतिका.
Yes, sir.
बोलते रहो. Then I get energy. Now let n be the greatest number that will divide all this, leaving the same remainder in each. Then what is the sum of the digits in n? तो वहीं पर क्या था, whenever they leave the same remainder क्या करना है, माइनस करना है, because each number will be some multiple plus the same remainder. So when you subtract the two numbers, the remainder will come. First number है multiple plus remainder, second number multiple plus remainder, subtract remainder will come. So these are the numbers, and देखो even without उतना HCF करने का जरूरत ही नहीं है, directly you can see 1120 into 3, 1120 into 2, 1120 into 5. You can directly see that. So 1120 is the divisor. अब इसको ऐड कर लेना, sum of digits 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 0 4. Got it? Clear हुआ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो इसके माने देखो आफ्टरवर्ड्स करने का जरूरत ही नहीं है, डायरेक्टली गेट 1120 देखने से पता चल रहा है 1120 into 2, 1120 into 3, 1120 into 5. So 1120 is a common HCF and the sum of digits is 4 because it is greatest number. ये याद कर लो, greatest number. And whenever you are asked divisor, you will take the factor. When you are asked the number, you will take the multiple. ऐसे होता है ना डिविजन. This is how you divide. ये जो है ये factor है. Divisor is a factor, and this one will be a multiple. और this one minus remainder. अगर remainder रहेगा तो remainder minus करने के बाद this will be the multiple, and this one will be a factor. यहाँ का divisor factor. Three numbers are in the ratio 3:4:5, and the LCM is 2400. What is their HCF? So whenever the numbers are 3:4:5, we take as 3y या 3k, 4k, 5k या 3y, 4y, 5y या 3x, 4x, 5x. है ना हेमांगी बेटी? ऐसे लेता ना?
Yes,
Whenever
sir.
the ratio is 3:4:5, कैसे लेता है? 3y, 4y, 5y ऐसे लेता ना?
Yeah.
So अब इसको मल्टीप्लाई करने से एलसीएम कितना होगा? y तो कॉमन हो जाएगा. 3y, 4y, 5y, y will be common. So you will be multiplying 3 into 4 into 5. If you are taking the HCF, 3y, 4y, and 5y, if you are taking the HCF, क्या होगा? The first time you will divide by y. Once you divide by y, you will get only y common है. So y से divide करो, then you will be getting 3, 4, 5. So you have to multiply 3, 4, 5 and y. ठीक है? वह कृतिका बेटी ठीक है? कृतिका?
Yes, sir.
Okay बेटी?
Yes, sir.
So you multiply all this and y. So y you will take only once. So y into 3 into 4 into 5, that is coming 60y. Up 60y is given 2400. It is given 60y equal to 2400, y equal to 40. So 40 is the HCF. 40 is the HCF. It is also called GCD. इसको और एक नाम है GCD. It is also called GCD. ओके बेटा, हेमांगी ठीक है बेटी?
Yes, sir.
बोलते रहो, गो ऑन सप्लाई एनर्जी, एनर्जी तो इसी से मिलता है ना। The product of two numbers is 2028 and their HCF is 13. The number of how many pairs of such numbers you get. So when 13 is HCF, it will be 13x and 13y. Afterwards, x and y should have no common factor. अगर जैसे x and y का अगर 2 common factor होता तो ये 13 to 26 HCF हो जाएगा. When you are getting 13, that means 13 into x, 13 into y, you can't divide anymore. X and y has no 2 or 3 or no common factors. So 13x into 13y, the product. 13x into 13y is 2028. 13 to 13, 169. So you get xy equal to 12. अब 12 को कैसे ब्रेक करेगा? The product is 12. Either you can get 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. यही तो है ना, और कुछ है? 1 into 12 है, 2 into 6 है, 3 into 4 है, इतना ही है. These are the possible ones. 12 को कैसे ब्रेक करेगा? Into two factors. xy equal to 12. So what is x? xy अगर 12 है, then what are the values of x and y? Either 1 into 12 or 2 into 6 or 3 into 4. यही तो है ना? हेमांगी, this is a possibility.
Yes, sir.
और कुछ possibility नहीं है. Now of this, देखो 2 6 have rejected. क्योंकि 2 6 का common है 2. 2 6 have common 2. 2 6 have common 2. So if 2 and 6 होता तो फिर 2 से जाएगा. So then LCM would not have been 13. LCM would have been 26. फिर 2 से चला जाता. So 2 and 6 we reject. So you get only 1 and 12. And 13 into 1 and 13 into 12. Or 13 into 3 and 13 into 4. So there are 2 such pairs of numbers. 2 pairs of numbers are possible. Actual number क्या होगा? 13 into 1 and 13 into 12, one pair, or 13 into 3 and 13 into 4, another pair. So 2 such pairs are possible. Clear हुआ बेटी? हेमांगी,
Yes, sir.
कृतिका बेटी clear हुआ?
Yes, sir.
रवि, okay?
Yes, sir.
संयुक्ता बेटी, संजना. Now, Sanjana is there? Or she has left? Audio mute है क्या बेटी? Now the least number, which when divided by 5, 6, 7, 8, leaves a remainder 3. But when divided by 9, leaves no remainder. And it divisible by 9, लेकिन 5, 6, 7, 8 से divide करने से it will leave a remainder 3. But when you divide by 9, the remainder should be 0. तो इसका method तो दिखा दिया है. Take the LCM and add 3. But easier way of these, देखो एक ही number है जो 9 से divisible है. 9 के लिए you add the sum of the digits. So देखो only for this one, 1 plus 6 plus 8 plus 3 is giving you 8. बाकी किसी का 9 का multiple नहीं आएगा. So only for this one, देखो 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 7 21, 21 माने 1 plus 2 3 नहीं जाएगा, 9 से जाएगा ही नहीं. 2 5 2 3, 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 3 12, ये भी नहीं जाएगा 9 से. 3 3 6, 6 6 12 15, ये भी नहीं जाएगा. So since is being divisible by 9, the only possible number is this. Normally I don't give option, लेकिन यहाँ option दिया था. Easier to try each one. एक ही है जो 9 से divisible. And he's saying it divided by 9 leaves no remainder. Only this is the only number which is divisible by 9. Got it? कृतिका बेटी?
Yes, sir.
हेमांगी बेटी ठीक हुआ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, 3 mutually co-prime numbers. Co-prime जानता ना बेटी? Co-prime माने numbers may not be prime, लेकिन there will be no common factors. co-prime आया है, so you have co-prime means they will have no common factor. Like 12 and say 13. 13 is a prime number. 12 prime number नहीं, but 12 and 13 are co-prime because they have no common factor. Are such that the product of the first two is 551, and the product of the first two and the product of the last two. So A, B, C number. First two मतलब A multiplied by B is 551. B, C मतलब B multiplied by C. तो B दोनों में है. यहाँ पर भी B है, यहाँ पर भी B है. And since they are co-prime, the common factor will be the HCF. So HCF दिखा दिया है. You can find the HCF and find that it is HCF is coming 29. 29 is coming the HCF. तो मिडिल नंबर तो 90 हो गया, 29 because मिडिल नंबर दोनों में है. मिडिल नंबर you got 29. Now A into B is 551. तो A कितना होगा? 551 divided by 29. Till B into C is this much. तो C कितना होगा? Divided by 29. So you get all the three numbers. अब add कर लेना 85. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Kritika? Himangi?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
If a number n is divided by 8, it leaves remainder 5. What will be the remainder if 2n is divided? 2n मतलब इसका double करना है. If it is 20, then you 40 को divide करना है. If it is 25, then 50 को divide करना है. 2n is divided. अब देखो, when n is divided by 8, the remainder is 5. अब n को double करेगा तो सब कुछ double हो जाएगा. Quotient भी double होगा, remainder भी double होगा. So it will be 10. But 10 तो हो नहीं सकता. When you are dividing by 8, you can't get a remainder 10. That means you continue the division. Continue करो. It will go one more time. और एक बार जाएगा. One more time. 8 ones are 8, and you will get the remainder 2. So 2 will be the final remainder. That means continue the division. Division incomplete है. 5 आया. When you do n into 2, quotient be double or remainder be double. But since 10 is bigger than 8, अब remainder तो कभी divisor से बड़ा नहीं होगा. तो continue करो. Continue the division and you get 2 as the final remainder. And quotient तो पूछा नहीं है. If you want the quotient, it is 2q plus 1. But they have not asked. अगर quotient यहाँ 4 दिया हुआ है तो ये 4 into 2 8 plus 9 होगा. But quotient is not asked. The final remainder will be 2. Got it? हेमांगी बेटी ठीक हुआ? क्या?
Sir, can you repeat?
हाँ बेटी.
Can you repeat
कौन वाला बेटी? पूरा.
this one?
Okay. है पूरा means इस सम का पूरा. Okay. I am saying देखो सम ठीक से पढ़ो. If number n is divided by 8, so n is divided by 8, it is giving a remainder 5. यहाँ तक ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
What will be the remainder if 2n is divided? यानी n को डबल कर लिया. अगर पहले 10 था तो 20 कर लिया. If it is 30, then 60 कर लिया. Whatever it is double. So if it is doubled and you divide by 8, what will happen? Quotient also will be double and remainder also will be double. सब double हो जाएगा. And then so remainder you are getting 10. But since remainder cannot be bigger than the divisor. Divisor 8 है तो remainder 10 तो होगा नहीं. So what you have to do is to continue the division. You continue the division. 8 से continue the division. It will go one more time. Plus 1. 8 ones are 8. And you will get the remainder 2. So you will get the remainder. So you continue the division because 10 is bigger. That means the division can continue. The division incomplete है. So you get the final remainder 2. अब clear हुआ बेटी?
Yes, sir.
So whenever you see that remainder is bigger, you continue the division. खाली division को continue करना है और कुछ नहीं करना. And the sum of A and its reciprocal is 4.25 and the sum of B and its reciprocal is 5.2. इसके लिए आप क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन नहीं करना है. नॉर्मली क्या करता है? x plus 1 by x equal to 4, 1 by 4, then x square. That quadratic इक्वेशन में ब्रेक करता है ना. But for multiple choice question you don't have to do. देखो a reciprocal means 1 by a. a का reciprocal 1 by a होता है. So a plus 1 by a is 4.25, which is 4 1 by 4. So automatically देखो 4 and reciprocal आ गया. A is 4, B is 1 by 4. So automatically you got the value of A. 4.25, 4 1 by 4, 4 plus 1 by 4. So 4 and its reciprocal. That means A is 4 and 1 by A is 1 by 4. Similarly, 5.2. 5.2 means 5 1 by 5 or 5 plus 1 by 4. So B plus 1 by B means you get 5 plus 1 by 5. So B is 5 and 1 by B is 1 by 5. So you got A and B value. The difference कितना हुआ? Difference is 1. 4 and 5 का difference. Got it? Clear हुआ बेटी? Hello.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बोलते रहो. कृतिका बेटी clear हुआ? Okay.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटी?
Yes, sir.
हाँ फिर से बोलना है तो बोलो. You break this 4.25 as 4 1 by 4. 4 1 by 4 means 4 plus 1 by 4 आ गया. 4 is a number and 1 by 4 is a reciprocal. 4 by 4 माने 4 by 1. So 4 by 1 का 1 by 4. D 5.2 माने 5 1 by 5. So 5 plus 1 by 5 आ गया. 5 का reciprocal. So B is 5 and 1 by B is 1 by 4. काम खत्म. So the difference is 1. ठीक है? कृतिका, okay बेटी?
Yes, sir.
And Himangi, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is our class for today on both your reasoning and mathematical aptitude. And then in the next class we will have. Okay. Everything, Kinari and Sanjukta, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So Himangi, Sanjukta, Kritika, all of you. Sanjana left, उसका कुछ problem होगा network. So thank you, Betty, all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Betty.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Thank you.
good.